A company plans to order 5 new computers at a cost of $2,300 each. The computers will not be needed for 1.5 years. What amount should the company deposit now at 4.75% simple interest to have enough money to pay for the computers? So they are looking for the present value. How much should the company deposit now? The future value, they want 5 new computers at a cost of $2,300 each. So this is 5 times 2,300, which is 11,500. The time is going to be 1.5, and the rate is going to be 0.0475. So that is our information, and we want to use the A formula. So we have 11,500 is equal to P times 1 plus 0.0475 times 1.5. So let's calculate what this is equal to. So the coefficient of P is 1.07125. So make sure not to round that. So we can only round at the end. Otherwise our answer is going to be off. And then I want to divide by 1.07125. So the present value is 10,735 and 12 cents.